What is SAP Databricks?
Hey, so the problem that we set out to solve with SAP Databricks is most companies run their mission critical systems on SAP, and most companies want to get more out of that data. They want to be able to use things like machine learning models to predict cash flow, to understand profitability. But it's really, really hard to get that data out of SAP into a data platform like Databricks. And so what we've done is we partnered with SAP to make that easier. And we've done that in two ways. One is by investing in a great connector built on Delta sharing, which is our open protocol, so that SAP data can be turned into data products on the SAP side in what's called the Business Data Cloud, and then shared through Delta sharing with anyone, but including Databricks. And then secondly, what we've done is we've actually built a special version of Databricks that's available to every Business Data Cloud user. And that's what we call SAP Databricks. It's like a fully SAP native Databricks. If you get Business Data Cloud, you have SAP Databricks, and you can start to use those Databricks tools right inside SAP with SAP data in those SAP teams.
If I am an existing SAP customer, but I am not a current Databricks customer, why should I consider SAP Databricks? And if I decide to, where do I start?
Yeah, so SAP has like close to 100,000 customers. Many of them already have a data platform like Databricks, but the SAP teams in those companies don't have access to that data platform. Others still maybe don't have a data platform yet, but as we like to say, every company needs to be a data and AI company, and they're kind of curious about what they can do with that SAP data. And the nice thing about SAP Databricks is it gives you all of the modern tools that we're building in Databricks to be able to use with this. When I had a chance to go to the SAP conference and just demo notebooks and AutoML on SAP data, a lot of the SAP customers there were just amazed, right? Because they haven't had access to the great tools in Databricks. And so what we've done is made that super easy to get. If they get SAP Business Data Cloud, they can set up a SAP Databricks account. They can use their SAP identity. They can use all of their permissioning systems. They get access to all of their SAP data products right inside the SAP Business Data Cloud. And from there, kind of one click open those data products in Databricks and start to work with them.
What if I am an existing SAP customer? I'm also an existing Databricks customer. What should I do?
Yeah, so if you're a Databricks customer and you're in those data platform teams, the problem is slightly different. It's like, how do I get access to my SAP data? And today, people are creating all sorts of data pipelines. Sometimes they're using other products, sometimes they're using SAP products. But at the end of the day, they have to get help from some sort of a partner to help build these data pipelines. The pipelines can be fragile, they can be slow, they can be expensive. And you really don't want to be doing that. Like if you're a data team, you don't want to spend a bunch of time building these pipelines and maintaining them. You want to be working with the data. And so the nice thing is with the Business Data Cloud, we have now built on top of Delta sharing a easy way to share data products without any copy directly out from Business Data Cloud to Databricks. And coming soon, we're going to be launching a new connector that every Business Data Cloud customer can start from inside Databricks, go and set up the connector, be able to publish from SAP the data products that they need to show in their Databricks account, and be able to then access those in Unity Catalog just as if they're data products inside Databricks.
Currently, SAP Databricks is available only on AWS. When do you expect it's going to be available on Azure and GCP as well?
Yeah, so SAP Databricks is available as part of SAP Business Data Cloud. So you buy it. If you buy Business Data Cloud, you have SAP Databricks, and you actually buy it and pay for it through SAP Business Data Cloud, what we call cloud capacity units. So we've launched Business Data Cloud on AWS. It's coming in GCP Anydata, and then in September we'll be launching together. We've had a great partnership with Azure and SAP and Databricks to launch that on Azure as well in September. And then I mentioned the connector so that existing Databricks customers can get access to SAP data. That's also coming this September, so we're excited about that.
Push comes to shove, what is the real benefit to using SAP Databricks along well with my SAP data?
Yeah, so, as I mentioned, like SAP has so much of a company's business critical data. I'll give you one example. A lot of companies run all of their financial systems on SAP, right? So if you want to combine that, and let's say your supply chain information, which might also be on SAP, together with some of your other company data that's in your other systems to do something like cash flow forecasting or inventory modeling, and build models for it. That was really hard before. And now you can actually combine those things together very easily either inside SAP Databricks, inside your SAP environment, or in your existing Databricks account, and then build some machine learning models on top of that, and publish them out to the organization. The other nice thing is, with SAP, there's this concept of a data product, which makes it easy for anyone in the organization to have access to SAP data in a nice curated form. Well, with Databricks and SAP Databricks, you can also create data products and publish them back into SAP so that those SAP teams can use data from elsewhere in the organization.